Hello everybody, I'm Josh Cork and this is your weekly market snapshot. Why am I wearing this? Well, I'm going skiing next week and it's going to be super cold here tonight. Two quick hits for you. One, we had an unexpectedly small gas storage withdrawal of negative 31 BCF. And two, warming weather being forecasted for mid-month. That being said, let's jump on into some current price trends. The January gas contract fell off the book about over a week ago at $4.02 a decatherm. And with that being said for this month, we just jump right on in to February. The February contract closed today at $3.81.2 a decatherm. Here's a quick depiction of the price movement for January to come over the past 12 months. And this bar graph here is to show and help you provide some further data points about the prompt month. You can see that year over year, we're at a premium in cost, but compared to the last couple months, we are trending in the right direction. Let's jump into the current regional cash prices because they're higher. Chicago's sitting at $4.45 a decatherm, and Northern Natural Gas Ventura on the western part of the state is $5.84. These prices are important because we take the average dailies for the month, and that becomes our sellback price if we overbought or our purchase price if we need more gas in a given month. Now, the following graph you're going to look at here is a chart of the next 4 years of futures prices. And notice the price trends up for the next winter and then back down in the future years. Notice that it's lower in the summer compared to higher in the winter, and that's normal. Now, that being said, next winter's pricing sits at $3.98.3. The 2023-2024 winter price is at $3.49, and the winter after that is just shy of $3.40. With that all being said, we're going to go ahead and shift gears to the storage report. The EIA storage report showed a negative 31 BCF change to ground storage inventory, and this puts our current overall inventory at 3,195 BCF. What does that mean? Compared to last year, we are 154 BCF behind, but that was a tough COVID year, remember, and we're plus 96 ahead of the 5-year average. Now notice in this storage chart shown here that we are much improved against the 10-year max in min values for ground gas storage. We're doing very well compared to what many speculated earlier in the season we would see. So let's jump to the weather. Oh, it's going to be cold tonight. And the Wisconsin short-term weather forecast is also calling for colder than normal weather through next Tuesday with relatively normal temperatures, then returning to much of Wisconsin next week. And on the national forecast, 18 to 14-day forecast, we're calling for a general warming trend for much of the country west of the Illinois-Indiana border with much above normal temperatures in the Plain States. So let's talk about some parting shots. At the end of December 2021, the U.S. dry gas production hit a near record level a week ago of 96 BCF a day. Now, why is this interesting? Cue up this graph. It's interesting because much of 2021, U.S. gas production lagged at close to 92 BCF a day. And the press was full of stories about how the capital crunch and the pandemic were impacting natural gas. Thus, there was a drumbeat of stories saying that we would see a gas supply crisis during this upcoming winter that we're in right now. This narrative, in conjunction with a slow storage refill, driven in part by low gas production, is what drove NYMEX gas prices to hit $6.80 in the shoulder month of October. Simply put, it was driven to that level mostly by the fear these stories spawn. So how is it after all these news stories of a pending crisis that we end up with production hitting 96 BCF a day last week? I think we all know the answer to that question, and if it walks like a duck and quacks like a duck, well, anyway, nevertheless, I doubt any of our regulators are going to bother to intervene on our behalf. On behalf of all of us here at Blue Edge Energy, have a wonderful weekend. We'll see you in 2 weeks. Take care.